Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to contact Simple's customer support in 2025. It's going to be a quick video. We're not going to waste too much time on this one. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into the video. The first step, of course, is going to be to log into your Simple account. So you can go on Simple's website and log into your account from there using your email address and your password. Once you log into your account, you're just going to click on the help button that's in the top navigation bar. And then you're going to select contact support from the drop down menu. Go ahead and select contact support, and you got a couple of methods that you can choose to contact the support service. So you can go ahead and choose phone, or it could be email, or if you use live chat. So you're going to need to provide your contact information, such as your name and your phone number, as well as to describe your issue or whatever questions that you have in detail. And of course, once it's done, you can go ahead and submit your request and wait for a response from Simple's customer support team, assuming of course that you're not using the live chat option. But yeah, once you submitted your request, they're going to get back to you and hopefully help you take care of whatever issues or concerns that you have. That's pretty much it on how to contact Simple's customer support in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.